In this video, I'm going to show you how to use iTracker 360 with the new Leadpages drag and drop builder. So this is a Leadpages drag and drop page. It's just a real simple page for demo purposes. So if you click this button, Let's Connect, a lead box comes up, and I can do like test and then test4 at testing.com, and I'm going to click submit. So I'm going to go into my Infusionsoft account and I'm going to look for that contact record that we just created. So this contact was created through Leadpages. There's no lead source and there's no tracking data. So how do we use iTracker with Leadpages? Here's what we have to do. So log into your iTracker account, go to the setup and testing page. Grab the iTracker snippet. So go to tracking snippet and then grab this code. So I'm just going to copy it to the clipboard. So inside Leadpages, we're going to go to this tracking tab, and then we're going to go to analytics, and we're going to paste the iTracker snippet in the head area. I'm going to click save. I'm going to close this tab. I'm going to update the page, and I'm going to click view page, and we're going to give it another test. So this is the page where I want to drive traffic to this URL. So right now, the tracking data that we're going to collect, it might say direct, it might say referral, whatever is in our iTracker cookie is what we're going to collect. Right now, the tracking data is going to come through as a referral from leadpages.net. So that is the correct tracking data, but for testing, I want to set some tracking data manually using some tracking parameters. So what I'm going to do is find the Leadpages page here. This is the URL, and this is going to add some tracking parameters to it. And I'm going to click this link. So here's our dummy tracking data that we're going to use. You can set this data to whatever you'd like, but this data will override what's in our tracking cookie. So we expect to receive this data back in Infusionsoft. So let's go ahead and click connect, and let's do test7 at testing.com, and I guess that was first name, so I'm going to do Bob, and I'm going to fill that out, and I'm going to search for that contact record. And Leadpages has a little bit of a delay on creating that record. So here's the contact record. There's no lead source right now, and there's no tracking data, but iTracker should have this data, and it should push this data into your account. So since this gear is turning, I know that there's some tracking data queued up for this account. So I'm going to go to the API sync page. We're basically syncing this tracking data with Infusionsoft. So it looks like this one's already finished. So let's go here and refresh the page. So I'm going to refresh, and here's the lead source. It looks like this is the data that we expected. So if I go to the tab, the tracking tab, here's the data that we did expect. So iTracker pushed the tracking data into this contact record. There's about a 1 to 2 minute delay for all this to work. And right now we're processing the postback request, which will apply the tracking tags and set the geolocation data under the address field. So I'm gonna refresh the contact record again. So we're basically just waiting for iTracker to do its thing. So I'm gonna pause the video again so we can just wait. Okay, that took about 10 seconds, but I just refreshed, and here's the tags that were applied. So under the tags, those are there. The address field is filled out, and the custom tracking fields are there, and the lead source is there. So that's how you use iTracker with the new Leadpages drag and drop web form builder.